They hold the title and you are the owner until you pay them off. Let's say you go out and buy a car. Josh, do you have a car loan on anything right now?
Yeah.
Do you have the title to that car?
No, I don't.
That is an agreement for sale.
Okay.
So who's the owner of the car right now?
The bank.
Technically, you are the owner of the car. They are just simply holding the title until you pay them off.
The payment. Makes sense.
That is an agreement for sale.
Okay.
So it means you, Josh, are the owner of the vehicle, right? Your insurance company is not insuring the bank. They're insuring you as the driver, right? You are the owner of that vehicle. You can sell it. You can refinance it. You can do whatever you want with that car. You are the owner. The way that that arrangement is set up with a car lender is that they hold the title and you are the owner until you pay them off. When you pay them off, they send you the document and they go, okay, the agreement, it's no longer an agreement for sale. Now you're just the full-blown owner. You can do the same thing, agreement for sale on a house where you are technically the owner. How do we secure our ownership in an agreement for sale situation? We have the purchase agreement. What we do is we have the title company go and record that purchase agreement as a lien against the property so that even though John might have the deed back in his name, you have a recorded document against the property that does not allow him to sell it, does not allow him to refinance it, does not allow him to do anything, even make a decision on the property without your say-so. Does that make sense?
And if that does happen, then you don't have that ability to do that 7X of the.
Yeah. You can't utilize tax benefits if you don't
Can
have
you redeed it after a certain period of time? Or is it that point?
We did that on one of our due on sales. I had a due on sale clause happen. We redeeded the property, reset it up as an agreement for sale. Okay. All in the same transaction. And then like 6 months later, we deeded the property back to ourselves again. And we own the property still this day. And I have not had the due on sale clause happen.
Okay. Makes sense.
Is anybody getting value out of any of this stuff?